And as Morley mentioned, it's been a wild ride on Wall Street over global economic fears.
Those fears spreading throughout southern New England, but one financial expert we talked to has a strong message for investors.
Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado joins us now with more in-depth coverage.
As you can imagine, financial planners have been fielding calls from clients panicking about their 401ks and investments. The overwhelming advice, though, is don't panic. As the stock market took a tumble Monday morning, worry set in for many investors who didn't know how the drop would affect their money.
There's good times, there's bad times, there's everything in between.
Financial advisor Donald Soa walked us through what the biggest stock market drop in 4 years means.
I don't know anybody today here on this Monday who should be selling anything today.
Soa says people might be panicking looking at their low account balances today, but he says this is a market correction, a dip, typically followed by a peak. So the value of your stocks and 401k investments will likely go back up over the next few months.
I will start getting nervous if we don't get a market correction.
Soa says he doesn't expect this big drop to turn into a long-term losing trend and encourages people to take advantage of temporarily low prices.
So this is that wonderful buy low opportunity that you've been waiting for. And eventually the market will go back up. Now, if you don't believe it's eventually going to go back up, then you don't belong in it in the first place.
Of course, check with your financial advisor when making any investment decisions. Coming up new at 6, advice for those who don't have any investments and want to take advantage of the lower prices. I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.